Find the value of cos 2 theta if 2 sin 2 theta is equal to root 3. Given 2 sin 2 theta is equal to root 3. Sin 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 2 theta is equal to sin 60 degrees. 2 theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees divided by 2. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 into 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. If root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0 and 0 degrees less than theta less than 90 degrees, find the value of theta. Given root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Root 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan theta is equal to tan 30 degrees. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Here theta is equal to greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees.